Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin Reed, and today is Thursday. I actually missed you guys on last night, had a busy night, and was really just tired. So here I am tonight just to make up. So today in the market, we actually been seeing green days, you guys. The green days this week, the market has been beautiful. It's steady. I think it's going to end up on this week. We know that tomorrow is Friday, so we kind of hope for things to remain in that up, kind of up, going up. But let's check it out, right? So before I get into it, y'all take a moment, like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I post videos. So first, I got the article, right? Y'all know how we do. Stock futures are little changed as S&P 500 looks for second straight positive week. 2 positive weeks, guys. 2 positive weeks. We know that was hard to come by. All we saw was blood red up until this past week. So we gotta love to see these green days, right? Gotta love these green days. So U.S. stock futures were little changed on Thursday evening after a bounce back session on Wall Street. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average ticked up 11 points, or less than 0.1%. So basically the market is flat. The S&P 500 futures were flat, while NASDAQ 100 futures dipped about 0.1%. The moves comes after a solid session for stocks on Wednesday, and the S&P rose 1.4%. The NASDAQ composite gained 1.9%. The Dow added 349 points. Y'all excuse me swinging. It was a fly or something right there, a little moth or something. Y'all can see it, but carry on, right? So let's check it out. Our Dow was up 1.02%. The S&P 500 up 1.43%, and the NASDAQ is up 1.93%. The Russell is up 1.13%. Look at the NASDAQ leading the rest of the market, and we continue to see the VIX down. The VIX was that fear index that I keep showing you guys, so we know how things are going. So talking about that fear index, let's look at it. It is now up 46. It is neutral. 46, guys. If it goes to that greed or extreme greed, y'all, we really gonna be in the money. We're gonna be making it rain for a little while. We're gonna be making it rain. So that's what we're looking for, right? We're looking for that continue to be people to continue to get greedy, for people to get away from that fearfulness, and for the market to just continue to boom, right? We want it to continue to boom, and that neutral just means things are gonna be kind of flat, small gains, but gains nonetheless. So let's check it out right here. So we're not seeing anything in the pre-market or after-market as of right now. The Hang Seng is down 1.66%. Just kind of check it over there because we know it's a 12-hour difference. One thing I did want to talk about is the NIO earnings, right? We need to talk about NIO earnings. NIO had earnings tonight, and I believe that their earnings, they missed it by 22.82%. So their expected earnings was 0.87. The reported was negative 1.07. So this is negative, right? We know it's supposed to be a smaller number. So they missed it by 22%. However, they beat their revenue by 1.69%. So this actually caused NIO to come down just a little bit. It came down a little bit, but still enough for us to feel it, right? So as of right now, it is down 2% in the after market, in the after hours, down to 21.51. However, if things continue to do what they're supposed to be doing, which again, that's a small miss on earnings, but if things continue to do what they've been doing, we should definitely see NIO bounce back. At least that's what we hope. So hopefully you guys will take in your profit. You know, if we looked at it, I mean, if you got in there on the 24th, when I told you guys I was buying, you should already be up, right? So this is March 14th. That's $14 right there. So $14 from that, man, you are already making a killing. So really and truly, that's a killing. It's up 16% from 5 days ago with the low of $18. So it should be about 22% right now from that $14 mark, I believe, somewhere close to that, right? More than 20% though from that $14 mark if you bought there, or if you bought on February 24th when I bought it. So not when I told you to buy, because again, I'm not a financial advisor, but when I bought it, you should be up and you should be booming. Hopefully, if you already holding it, you average down, you took advantage of this profit. So let's check out the stock market. Look at all this green, you guys. We haven't seen this beautiful green since last year, and it was very inconsistent. But now we're seeing some consistent green days, and that's what we want to see, right? We see Microsoft up 1.54%. We see Apple up 2.27%. We see Nvidia up 9.81%. It's been running. The only reason I'm tracking it because I've been making money on the options on that, call options. Tesla has also definitely been paying out on the call options. Tesla has been really paying people. I mean, it's been booming. It's been making major moves. Facebook up 2.86%. Google up 2.03%. Let's check out our financials. Our financials, Bank of America is actually down 0.05%. Wells Fargo is up 0.41%. We see Morgan Stanley down 0.27% and Goldman Sachs up 0.18%. All of those are pretty flat on the financial side. Healthcare, we got Johnson & Johnson up 0.52%, Pfizer up 0.77%. We already talked about Tesla. Amazon pretty flat, up 0.15%. Walmart up 0.62%, low. Costco up 0.74%, and Target is up 0.15%. But overall, the entire market is green. Even oil is, it's flat, but it's green. So it's probably hit its peak, but who knows? I actually believe that oil came down a little bit today as far as the price of the barrel. Look at it, WTI crude oil is down 0.02%, and Brent crude oil is down a full 2%. So that means oil prices are actually coming down a little bit, and that is definitely beneficial to us. That is definitely beneficial to us. So let's check out our crypto. Crypto is making us money, you guys. I don't know if you guys are in ETC, Ethereum coin. I'm in it, and I hate it that I'm in it because I was in it at a very high point. I was in it at about $50, but it finally went back up there today. I took out some of my money, and now I'm waiting on it to come back down so I can really hold, or for it to go way up and definitely make me some money, because I had been holding this thing, you guys, for quite some time, and I was down in it. It finally shot back up, and that's just, when we talk about it, this thing was up 80% over the past week, guys. 80%. That's crazy to me, right? And let's see if we can find it. I'm going to change the view on this. Let's change the view on this, right? ETC. Because I want you guys to see how these things can move, and especially in Ethereum Classic. In a matter of a week, you guys, how this thing can move. And it's crazy to me because, you gotta be patient, right? This thing is currently up on the past 7 days. It don't even show the percentage. That sucks. I want you guys to see the percentage because the percentage is about 80% on the past 7 days. Usually it shows, so let's go back. Maybe it showed me there where I was at. 78% in the week. 78% on the week, right? So if you had bought this thing a week ago at $24, you're already up 78%. So that's beautiful, right? That's what we like to see. We see Bitcoin up 2.75% on the day, up 8% on the week. Ethereum up 3.41% on the day, 12.57% on the week. Cardano up 4.54% on the day, 37.37% on the week. Again, we're seeing crypto running. I've been talking about crypto, telling you guys to get in where you fit in, right? You guys pick what you want, but get in where you fit in, do your research and everything else. Terra Luna is down 1% for today, but it's still up 9% on the week. Solana actually up 9% on the day, 20% on the week. None of them beat that 78% that Ethereum Classic did for the week, right? None of them, because 78%, that is huge. I believe it was like 83% earlier today when I looked at it. Dogecoin 17% on the week, down 0.43% on the day. Shiba Inu 12% for the week, 0.54% on the day. Polygon, that was one we're looking at, 14% on the week, 4.51% on the day. Crow actually up 13.81% on the week and 2.96% up on the day. Let's check out our metaverse players. I believe those are our last ones. Again, I have not talked about Ethereum Classic much because I've been holding that bad boy and trying to get out of it for a while. But to see it shoot back up like it's done in a week, that really, tears of joy today. Tears of joy today. Decentraland up 2.07% for today, up 11.79% for the week. I think that thing's gonna do big stuff. Hopefully you guys watch my video I did Tuesday night. So if y'all want to see my video in the metaverse, I have it right here. I post it right here, and y'all will see it up there somewhere, right? And Sandbox, let's check out Sandbox. Sandbox is up 11% on the week and 0.86% for the day. Actually 1.35% for the day. If you guys bought this joker at about $2 or $2 last week or the past couple weeks ago, you should already be seeing some good profits, right? Up 10% on the week. You guys should already be seeing some profits. Man, I hope you guys are really buying dip, and you should be seeing the profits from many of these. You should be seeing a lot of profits and should be loving it right now. We should definitely be seeing nothing but green. I don't see any reason why we should be having any really bad red days at this point, because if you bought the dip at February 24th when I mentioned it, and again on March 14th when things hit their new low, you should be in the money right now. You should be loving it. You should be loving it. You should be seeing nothing but green. And I mean, even if you were buying before that, the fact that you're holding and dollar cost averaging in or averaging down, you should definitely be seeing profits much sooner than you would have if you would have just kicked your feet up. So I'm hoping that you guys are actually seeing some really good, some good money coming forward. So that's what I have for you guys today. So tomorrow's Friday. We know how it is. You might have that weekend sell-off, so you guys just be careful. Make sure you wait that first 30 minutes to an hour in the market. I'll try and get on here with you guys tomorrow. Work has been crazy busy for this week, but you know how we do, right? You got to keep all forms of income. Multiple streams of income is our goal on the journey to become wealthy. Again, I thank you guys for joining me on the journey to become wealthy. I hope y'all have a good night, and I'll see y'all later.